All right, so here we go. This is error steps. So I've got an error latch here if we have a skipped step or a timeout. Right now we're going to be on a skipped step. So I've got step 2 going to step 4. So it's skipping step 3. And this is our error indicator output right here on the factory IO. And this is our counter for the steps we've done. But I've got that turned off, I think, right now. But all right, so let's go ahead and put it in auto, and it's starting. 1, 2. Okay, it just skipped to 4. It just latched, had an error issue, and 3 is outputted right here. It's going to time out though in a second, and then now it's saying reset me. I could get rid of the timeout and just leave it with a 3 up there until you reset it, but I didn't in case you have more errors. So if you had errors on a couple of steps, it could log it possibly. I haven't set that up though. So, all right, so it's got another error, error 3, and boom, now it's into reset mode. So this is a runtime timeout because it didn't complete its cycle. So cool. Yeah, so it's letting you know what error happened on what step, and it's blinking out on you here to say, hey, reset me and try again. Let's go ahead and change that. So step 3, no, step 2 is the one we need to change. So change that to 3, and let's go change step 2, or step 1. Let's change step 1 to step 3. Okay, and we'll upload that real quick. So start, boom, and it skipped to step 2. Okay, so it looks like step 2 had a problem. So now it's saying 2 instead of 4. So it's telling us which error it was on. And we now got a full error, which this is a maintenance error now. So if I press the start button to reset it, it won't do it. That happens when I have 3 or more errors in a row. And I have to turn this to manual position. Still press the stop button to restart that and get it out of maintenance mode. All right, let's go over Estop real quick. So there we go. So Estop is on currently. Nothing works. No buttons will function in manual or auto, and Estop is off. Let's let it go on there. It extends. Oh, we've got an error on 2, but let's go ahead and kill it. Estop killed everything, and now we're in Estop mode. We do have an error running right now, but if we stop Estop, it might have cleared it out. It did. And again, I can kill Estop, brings it back to a dead stop, kills all the motors, kills all the switches. Nothing's going to work in either mode.